GrayWolf Sensing Solutions is an international leader in instrumentation for indoor air quality, toxic gas, HVAC, and other air monitoring applications. We have worldwide distribution with trained representatives available to demonstrate and support our measurement products. For example, here's a word from TMA, GrayWolf's reps for the Mid-Atlantic and Northeastern U.S.
Hi, I'm Christian with Technical Measurement Associates. I have a professional engineering license and have been selling and supporting GrayWolf for over 12 years. Let me or one of our highly experienced sales engineers come by and show you how these market-leading products are changing the way environmental surveys are conducted and how they can help your business.
Let us show you the particular sensors, instrument platforms, documentation, productivity tools, and automated reporting that make GrayWolf the instrument of choice for your specific air quality measurement needs.